That's why this is my favorite chainsaw. 540 XP. Beautiful saw. All right, not that I know how to use it that well, but whatever. Gonna use this 80-volt Greenworks battery-powered chainsaw because I cannot find the fuel for my real chainsaw. I think it's in the barn somewhere. All right, later. Sad to say, but we lost another birch tree on the property. It succumbed to weather. Those are goofy prescription sun safety glasses that I got online, so seems like a good idea. All right, so we're gonna cut this tree up. Gonna use a battery-powered chainsaw. I like these birch trees, but they just fall down. They get like snow on them, ice on them, and they just tip over. I don't know. We're losing them left and right here at the property, so Greenworks chainsaw just not getting along with me today. Chain came off again. Not sure why. What's going on?